Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain the meaning of splash out something. It's a phrasal verb. The meaning of this phrasal verb is to spend a lot of money on buying things, especially things that are pleasant to have, but that you don't need it. In this context, when people spend a significant amount of money on buying things they want but don't actually need it, it often referred to as a impulsive buying or mindless spending. These purchases include luxury items, non other essential goods or gadgets. I hope you learned something new in this video. Also, yesterday I posted a video related to this. You can choose either that one or this one. It's up to you. Bye bye. Follow for more videos.